So I just got in my levers from the twowheels.com. About to do my installation. It's the first time I've ever done this, so for beginners it'll be a good example of how well and how easy it is. These are my levers. I got the black with the burgundy red adjusters on them, and so I'm going to first start with the brake lever. We'll see how well it is. So I'm going to start off down here on the bottom. There is a 10 millimeter socket, and then this right here is just the flathead. I'm going to see how well this works out here. Just like that. Amazing. The difference on them. It's beautiful. Oh, so far, brake side's not too bad at all. Wow, that's a very quick install. Nut on the bottom. Getting tight. Seven furthest out. One is the closest. Oh, that feels nice. I like that. Wow, brake side's done. Let's move over to the clutch side. Now, I've been told the clutch side's a lot more difficult than the brake side. So we'll just jump in there and find out. Probably should have adjusted the cable first, but that's alright. Yep, I'm gonna have to adjust it. So far it's not too bad. Can't even tell if it's going in there. Feels like it's stuck on something. Oh yeah, this side is definitely a little bit more difficult. Now it's not even want to come out. Time to bust out the pliers, figure out what's going on with these.